Sisni hadian baka sokar jela kala penhiar ya ka khajna naka petrol ba naka diesel mentaka snipan ka khatnyo trik jong urampang arajar arhuai ka sokar jela lang baka kanhun menteri ka balong mentaka sni kala rai ba penki saya ka khajna naka jengti ya ki marpo khandau kum yo motion yo siap baki wi dia ki marpo khandau umetri lang ba jong jela ukon ra sangma ore thu ba ya ka khajna naki jengti ya ki marpo khandau la penki naka 100% saka 4%. Kini kerja pergi kalau kat kum karai ke berpeni tak yang besar jauh ke jalan mekhlaya. Lembah kini kerja pergi ya ke khajna nak jengti ya ke marpok khandau konrak sang mau loong ba ke jela ka kini inti banyak lum ya ke khajna ke hadu arfun yo klor tingkah. Haga di kopor umutri nang ba oleh turu ba ka kanun menteri ke balong mata kasni kala penskamru ya ke penhiar ya ke do ya ke petrol ba ya ke diesel nakarai ke brami menen kasni lembah ke high level committee.
Regarding the regularization of the decision that was made on reducing the taxes for petrol and diesel. So earlier we had done it with 2 rupees, and then later yesterday, if you recall, we had again revised the new tax rates for petrol and diesel. So both these decisions were regularized in the cabinet today. Then we also have decided, as you're aware, that there is the stamp duty on mining leases. There was a court order that came out that basically required the mining lease holders to pay 100% for the stamp duties against 50%, which was initially thought, as they the miners earlier the interpretation was that the mining lease falls under the instruments of conveyance. So if it falls under the instrument of conveyance, then scheduled type and scheduled caste need to only pay 50% of the stamp duty. But that is not the case, and the court has given order that mining lease stamp duty is not an instrument of conveyance, and hence mining lease holders will have to pay 100% on the stamp duty. So therefore, this had to be regularized. So all the mining leaseholders are being asked to immediately pay rest of the 50% for the mining lease. We are allowing them to pay half of it immediately, and the rest of the half within 31st of March 2021.